Here we are July 9th at the Vernon Ellingson farm. We're showing you the hail damage that wiped out most of his crop on last night's storm, where tornado action went through the whole area, wiped out a lot of buildings and trees all through the area, especially in Maddock and Esmond. Several buildings are down, so we'll try and get some pictures of that to complete this tape. Here we see that there are only very few heads of grain standing after this hail. Here it shows how the storm took the driveway out of the elevator. Has wrecked the crop dryers. It has torn down two large steel bins on this side of the elevator, which are laying over here. Totally wrecked them. Road tracks are pushed off to the side from the storm action. It's not something. Tin hanging in the trees all over the place here. It toppled over their big grain dryer, wrecked that. The driveway is all gone in this building too, this elevator. Totally wrecked from the storm, all caved in. Again, we show how the roof was torn off the driveway. Over. You see here, this building stood it, except it blew the doors out on both ends. Fertilizer spreader that's victim of the storm. This is at Farmers Union's fertilizer warehouse. Most TV towers, radio towers went down from the storms at Summers Manufacturing.
Hello, Bruce.
How's your house make it?
I lost the tree. Kind of, little nest there.
There's really some damage in it. Well done. Arlo Schmidt's house. There was a garage here. It's all gone. Plus the roof. House is gone. Down towards the city park to observe that most of the trees went down that were there. There's trees uprooted here all over town. Or that the wind or tornado took down. Just trees down all over here. Mind you, that stood. With steel roof from the steel bin right behind it. Looks as though about a third of the trees in town have gone down during the storm. Further over in the park you can see the bulk of the big trees that went down across there. Of course, there's lots of damage done in the elevator all over. Besides the bins, I think the elevator looks damaged too. And amazing enough, our new little chapel put in the park here has stood it in fine shape. We don't believe any of our churches are damaged either, other than the trees. House, those garages tore off the house. Part of that garage is dismantled from the house from garage from Arlo Schmidt that came from a block away.
We should ride because I'm sitting on this stuff.
house was up the roof off of this house.
What's left of Debbie and Brent's screened-in sun porch or sunshade after the storm. Their antenna down.
Garage.
Mark Wellington.